Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform gimbal calibration on DJI Osmo Pocket 3. To do this, we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, click on the gear icon, here scroll down to gimbal calibration, click on it, then you will need to place your camera on a flat surface like this and click on confirm on the screen. Now wait a few moments till the calibration is completed. And here we have it, we can click on confirm. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.